Then for this one, given that the geometric progression 4, 2, 1, find the 7th term. So we are going to use the formula for nth term. So this is A, Roman numeral 1. Now we are expert. So nth term is equals to A, which is the first term, multiplied by the what? The common ratio, position minus 1. So now here we are looking at the 7th term, equal to what? The first term is what? 4. Okay, the common ratio, we don't have it yet, we can calculate. Common ratio R is equals to term number 2, divide term number 1. Term number 2 is 2, term number 1 is 4. This is 1 over 2. So this is 1 over 2. Okay, then 7 minus 1. So this one we are going to put a 6 here. So it's just the same as 4 multiplied by 2 to the power 6. Please, I said this one will distribute 1 over 2 to the power 6 is just the same as 1 over 2, 6 to the power 6. So 2 to the power 6 is giving me 64. So this is 1 over 64. Okay. Then at this point, can 4 go into 64? Divide 4. Okay. So this is the same as 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 64, it is 16. So now this is just the same as 1 over 16. So that is the first answer, the 7th term. Okay. Then now the second one, sum of the first 9 term. Okay. Sum of the first what? 9 term. So sum of nth term. Our r is less than 1, so we are going to use this form. A 1 minus r square. 1 minus rn. Then divide 1 minus r. So what is our first term? The first term is so here we are finding 9th term. Sum of the 9th term equal to, first term is 4. Divide 1 minus, what is the common ratio? A 2. Then to the power what? To the power 9. Divide 1 minus 1 over 2. So down here it's just going to remain 0.5. In advance we can write it like that. Then now here inside it is going to be 2 to the power 9. 2 to the power 9. 2 to the power 9 is 512. Okay. So let me just clean this part so that we can just bring this part right here. Okay. So this is the sum of the 9th term is equals to 4. Then inside here is 1 minus, we can say 1 over 1 minus 1 over 512. Okay. Like this, then divide 0.5. So here in the bracket, if you are to work out what is here, it's going to be common here is 1. That is lowest common denominator is 512. So 1 into 512 is 512. So 512 minus 1, then divide 512. That is what is going to be here. But you have multiplying what? Multiplying a 4. Then divide a 0.5. So now what are we going to do? Can 4 go into 512? Where we say 4 into 512, let's see. Divide 4. Okay, so it goes there 128. So this one we can say 512 minus 1 is 511. 511. Okay, divide this 4 into 512 is 128. Okay, then all this divide what? Divide a 0.5, which is the same as 1 over 2. Okay, so what are we going to do? Here is just the same as 511 divide 128 multiply by, that is 1 over, multiply by 2 over 1, like that. So 511 multiplied by 2 divide 128. Okay, so for me it's giving me 7.98. Okay, 7.98. So that is how you find the sum here. Okay, so that is how we find it. Then now the last question here is find the geometric what? Find the geometric mean. How do you find the geometric mean? So geometric mean, this is question B. Geometric mean is equals to AC. So you just multiply these, the square root of them. So geometric mean is equals to 196 multiplied by, what is this? Okay, if I can see clearly, it's 5, 6, 2, 5. Okay, so now let us do it. So we're going to say, 196 multiplied by 15,625, for me is giving me, so we're going to say square root of 30,625,00. What is the answer here? So we find the square root of this. So square root is giving me 1,750. That is the geometric what? Mean. So that is how you work out this one. Okay.